Mississauga Handyman is your trusted home repair and upgrade professionals. We have had thousands of clients satisfied with our conscientious work. We take pride in our building and repairs, and you will too. If you can't fix it, we can do it for you. You'll be very happy you called Mississauga Handyman to do the work. Work we have done in the past for homes includes everything from painting rooms, doing all kinds of drywall and ceiling repairs, painting kitchens, and so much more. Call Mississauga Handyman at 416-568-3547 or look us up on the web at mississaugahandyman.com. We look forward to helping you with your next project.